SIPS 2024 is proud to host the distinguished Jean-Marie Lenn, who received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1987 for his groundbreaking discoveries in supramolecular chemistry. Lenn's work has paved the way for innovations in molecular self-assembly and nanotechnology, profoundly influencing the development of new materials and drugs. His creative approach to chemistry and his role in establishing new scientific disciplines make him an inspirational figure for aspiring scientists and researchers. At SIPS 2024, we are dedicated to discovering new sustainable solutions and advancements in science and engineering. Join us from October 20th to 24th at the Out of the Blue Resort in Crete, Greece, to meet and honor our distinguished guests. We encourage all members of the community to contribute and make their voice heard. Submit an abstract of your paper at our website, www.flogen.org/SIPS 2024. More than 300 abstracts from 60 countries have already been submitted.